Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are here to commemorate a significant event in the history of Pakistan, the 27th of October. In this video, we will dive into the history of this date and understand what Pakistan celebrates on this special day. October 27th holds a unique place in Pakistan's history, as it marks the day when Pakistan regained control of one of its most important cities, Karachi. It's a day that symbolizes the resilience and determination of the people of Pakistan. The historical significance of October 27th dates back to the year 1947. After gaining independence from British colonial rule, Pakistan found itself in a difficult situation. The city of Karachi, which was vital for the nation's economic and strategic interests, was under the control of foreign powers. On this day, Pakistan's founder, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, initiated Operation Grandstand. The operation aimed to peacefully and diplomatically resolve the situation and regain control of Karachi. It was a momentous effort to safeguard Pakistan's territorial integrity. Fortunately, due to the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam and the diplomatic efforts, the situation was resolved peacefully. The city of Karachi was handed over to Pakistan, marking a crucial moment in the early days of the nation. Today, the 27th of October serves as a reminder of the challenges Pakistan has overcome and its unwavering commitment to maintaining its territorial boundaries. It's a day that reminds us of the sacrifices made by the people of Pakistan for the freedom and prosperity of their nation. As we celebrate the 27th of October, it's a moment to reflect on the journey of Pakistan, from its early days to the vibrant and dynamic nation it has become today. The city of Karachi, with its rich cultural diversity and economic significance, stands as a testament to the resilience and unity of the Pakistani people. So, on this day, let's come together to celebrate Pakistan's history, unity,